Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are happy and healthy. I am Rupal ma'am. Today in our general awareness, that is GA session, we are going to learn a very interesting topic which is healthy food and junk food. तो बच्चों क्या सीखेंगे हम आज? Healthy food and junk food. First, let us learn about healthy food. Healthy foods are good for your body. Healthy food gives us protein, vitamins and minerals. Healthy food helps you to grow and become strong. So children, say yes to healthy food. Healthy food includes fruits such as orange, banana, cherry, plum, muskmelon, pineapple, watermelon, grapes, lemon, apple, kiwi and strawberry. It also includes vegetables such as cauliflower, capsicum, chili, cabbage, ladyfinger and garlic. Sabzi, roti and dal is also a healthy meal. Milk is a healthy food. It gives us calcium and helps us to grow. Curd, matlab dahi, is also a healthy food. Who likes to eat cheese? Yes, it is also a healthy food. Egg is a healthy food. We get protein from eggs. Now, let us learn about junk food. Junk food includes French fries, burger, cookies, chocolates, potato chips and pizza. ज़्यादा जंक फूड खाने से हमें स्टमक एक मतलब पेट में दर्द हो सकता है या फिर टूथ एक मतलब दांत में दर्द हो सकता है. So children, say no to junk food. So now let's see some more pictures of healthy food. This is Upma. Upma is a healthy food. You can eat Upma in the morning for your breakfast. This is Thepla. Thepla is a healthy food. You can eat Thepla in the morning for your breakfast. This is corn. Corn is also a healthy food. This is chole bhature. You can eat chole bhature during your lunch time. This is hot and yummy soup. You can drink soup in the evening. This is Idli Sambar. You can have Idli Sambar for your dinner at night. These are fruits. Fruits are healthy for us. These are vegetables. Vegetables are also healthy for us. Let's see some more flashcards of junk food. These are French fries. It is a junk food. This is a burger. Burger is also a junk food. This is a cake. Cake is also a junk food. This is pizza. Pizza is also a junk food. These are cold drinks. Cold drinks are also junk food. कोल्ड ड्रिंक के बदले हम बटर मिल्क, लेमनेड, मिल्क शेक्स, फ्रूट जूसेस, बहुत कुछ अलग अलग हम पी सकते हैं, है ना बच्चों? Now it's worksheet time. See children, this is your practice worksheet. You can see there are two baskets, one with happy face and another with sad face. You have to join healthy food to happy face basket and junk food to sad face basket. आपको हेल्दी फूड हैप्पी फेस वाली बास्केट से ज्वाइन करना है और जंक फूड सैड फेस वाली बास्केट से ज्वाइन करना है. Okay children, I hope you all enjoyed learning about healthy food and junk food. So from today, we all will eat healthy food and become strong. So bye bye. Keep eating healthy food and be strong. Thank you.